chocolate is my favorite cake. That's not true. I have two favorite cakes. German chocolate is my second favorite cake. My first favorite cake, hands down, always has been from when I was really young, Black Forest. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do, but I wanted to show you guys like how super simple this is. And I did bake the cake ahead of time because we've already done that. And I did make the German chocolate cake in a German chocolate cheesecake recipe already. And it's the same exact topping that I'm using, that I used in that cheesecake recipe for this cake. So I've kind of already been there, done that. And I suppose I probably should clip those recipes in right here.
As always, the recipe ingredients will be listed out in printable format at Gretchen'sVeganBakery.com. This is a super simple one bowl mix. First, get the hot water and the coffee granules together, and then add the cocoa powder to that, along with the oil, the vanilla extract, and the apple cider vinegar. So that's all of your wet ingredients. Now the dry ingredients get sifted together in a large bowl, including the sugar this time. And then the wet ingredients get poured into that. Whisk it smooth, and that's it. So easy, you guys, and so good. Pour the batter into the greased cake pans and bake them until they are done. Now, of course, there's more in-depth info on the blog post, like pan sizes, oven temperatures, and bake times, so be sure to click through to get the recipe. Now for the German chocolate filling, and this time I am making a healthier version that uses dates as the base for the caramel. Believe me, it is hard to tell. This is a super low sugar version. You just blend everything together smooth and then fold in the pecans and the coconut. It is so easy.
Am I right? Like, how easy is this? I'm not lying to you. It was all done in just about an hour. So yeah, the only thing I did change with this cake, and we're gonna see that when we do cut it open, is that I used applesauce in place of like 3/4 of the oil, which is basically just going to make this cake a little bit more dense, I guess. It actually is going to make it be a little bit more dense and fudgy-like and not soft and light like a traditional cake. And I gotta say, I don't hate that. I'm going super rustic on this. If you guys have seen my German chocolate cake of years past, I mean, I've done this probably how many times with all of my changeovers, from Crumb Boss to Woodland Bakery to Gretchen's Bakery and now Gretchen's Vegan Bakery, right? So like, I've done these recipes so many times, and my original version of the German chocolate cake always did have a chocolate buttercream icing, and I'm just gonna go super simple and rustic for this one, mostly because I'm telling you what, you guys, in my old age, I am not able to handle sugar in such excess as I used to. So I think this is perfect the way that it is. It's not too overly sweet. It's just going to be delicious. Oh, look how cute it is. All right, and that's really it. I did make up a little recipe of ganache though, because I mean, this looks kind of plain and not really that good. So I am gonna do some ganache rosettes all the way around the top of this cake. All right, so I do have my ganache that I made up ahead of time also, and I just let it sit at room temperature overnight so that it goes from liquid to a pipeable consistency. You see that? If I was to store that in the fridge overnight, it would just be super hard and not really that great and easy to pipe. So I just let it sit out overnight at room temperature. That was just enough. Wow, I'm running out of everything, you guys. Well, there's a little bit left. All right, so there it is, my German chocolate birthday cake. German chocolate is my favorite cake. That's not true. I have two favorite cakes. German chocolate is my second favorite cake. My first favorite cake, hands down, always has been from when I was really young, Black Forest. definitely my #1 favorite, but I've already done that one. And if you guys haven't checked out that recipe, you are totally missing out. Rave reviews from everyone who's ever made it. It's absolutely wonderful. All right, well, thank you guys so much for being here with me on my birthday. Man, this cake is throwing some heat. Make a wish, and so will I. But like I said, I started to say before, I switched out a lot of the oil in this chocolate cake recipe for applesauce. So that right there is going to change the texture from a lighter, fluffier cake to a bit more dense cake, almost like a brownie, which I love. And my recipe for German chocolate filling, ooh, the whole thing fell over. Hold on. My recipe for German chocolate filling is really low sugar. It is made with dates, almond milk. What the heck else did I put in? Oh, unsweetened coconut flakes, because the sugar in the dates is so much sugar that I don't feel like it needs to be sweetened coconut. And I'm trying to think what else. Well, the recipe is below, so definitely go check that out. But check this out. Oh, this looks so good. And like I said, this cake has been sitting in the fridge for 3 days, loosely wrapped, and it looks so good. Oh yeah, so that's the other thing. Instead of pecans, because I didn't have any pecans, and right now I'm not about to pay like $18 a pound for pecans, so I used pumpkin seeds. And I've already tasted this filling before, and it's totally delicious. So let's dig in. Happy birthday to me. You guys can't tell me that doesn't look delicious, and it doesn't need that super sweet chocolate buttercream. It's good. It's really good, and it's not too sweet. I'm telling you, I'm really sensitive to too much sugar now that I'm old. It's really weird. I used to be able to eat whole cakes when I was younger. Okay, one more bite. I cannot eat this whole piece of cake. That was a big bite. All right, guys, so I think that's it for today. I'm getting so sleepy from all the food that I ate, and I had a super busy morning. And so, yeah, thanks again for hanging out with me on my birthday. I really did have a good birthday today, from the minute I woke up all the way through to this chocolate cake. Now I'm gonna get into my pajamas and get on the couch and call it a day. All right, guys, thanks again for watching my channel. I will talk to you again soon. Of course, go get the recipe. Links are below, Gretchen'sVeganBakery.com. All right, guys, talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.